Question 15. 4 balloons were filled with different types of gases and left overnight in a room. They were filled respectively as shown in the table. So we have balloon P, which is filled with carbon dioxide. We have balloon Q, which is filled with helium. We have balloon R, filled with hydrogen. And balloon S, which is filled with nitrogen. And it was found that the balloons are found to have shrunk to different extents overnight. And we are asked to arrange the balloons in increasing order of size. So we have to arrange them in terms of smallest to largest. Okay, first of all, why do the balloons shrink overnight? Recall that balloons, they are made of a permeable material, either rubber or sometimes plastic. And this means that the particles of gas inside the balloon and outside the balloon in the air can diffuse across the material. So what happens is that when the gases start diffusing and the gas inside the balloon diffuses out faster than the gas in the air can diffuse inside, this results in shrinkage. So this is why the balloon actually becomes smaller. Now that we know that the reason for this shrinkage is due to the diffusion of gas out of the balloon, we can compare the speed of diffusion of the different gases in each balloon. And each of these gases is a different type of gas with a different either relative atomic mass or relative molecular mass. So we have also learned that if the gas has a higher MR or AR, the speed of diffusion will become slower. So let's compare the MR or AR of each of these gases. First of all, we have carbon dioxide with an MR of 44. Then we have helium with an AR because it is a monatomic gas of 4. We have hydrogen with an MR of 2. And we have nitrogen with an MR of 28. So that means that in terms of speed of diffusion, the fastest one would be hydrogen, followed by helium, followed by nitrogen, followed by carbon dioxide. And this means that the size of the balloon at the end is the other way around, because the faster the speed of diffusion, the more the balloon will shrink. So that means that the hydrogen balloon will be the smallest, the helium balloon will be second, the nitrogen balloon will be third, and then the largest one will be the carbon dioxide balloon. So the order should be R, followed by Q, followed by S, followed by P, which is the same as option D.